Hey guys, so I've just checked in into this room. I thought I'll just give you an overview of this room. So first thing first, I thought I'll wash up my hands and once I clean up, I'll continue the video. So being in the COVID situation, don't forget to clean up before you enter your rooms, guys. Be safe. So I've changed and all. I've taken a bath, but the lighting is slightly dim. It's not as great as I expected. So I'll just make the video in the morning. That's a much better idea. So hey guys, good morning. I'm here, as I told you, I'm here in Delhi, and I've checked into Radisson Blue, and I've made myself a cup of coffee. So the reason behind I want to give a tour of this room is there's a message behind it. There's a message that dreams and your wishes do come true. This has not been really a dream to stay here, but there's a small story behind it. So, when I started my career, I started working in Delhi. Like even before I got a license, I was working in Delhi in a small company. Uh, and what happened is we had an office near the airport. So like we used to go for a walk till the airport and come back. And on the way, we used to see this Hotel Radisson every time we went for a walk. So we just used to like the other person who I used to talk to is not alive anymore. But we used to say to each other that someday we are going to stay here for work purpose and all these things. Like many of us, say to each other, looking at Taj and all these places, कि एक दिन तो मैं वहाँ ठहरूंगा and all these things. So even we used to talk like that, and that's the story behind this place, Radisson Blue. And that is the reason I actually planned on staying here. Otherwise, there are actually better options. Uh, so let's go ahead with the tour of this room. And before I go on with the tour of this room, I would like to also say that it's not fully in its full boom because of this COVID situation. And also, what I didn't like, what doesn't happen in many of the other hotels, is they take in advance. Like they took around 10,000 rupees from me, and they said that they'll reimburse once I, leave. So that's a new thing which I've encountered after staying in so many places. But yeah, it's okay. It's all right. So let's go ahead with the tour. Let's have a look at the bathroom first. So I'll open it. It's quite spacious. They've given me two towels. So you can see these two glasses kept here. There's something from Biotique. I think it's what is this? It's a skin lotion. The shower cap. There's a soap. There's a tissue box. When you come into, there's another section which is separated by a glass panel, and here there's hot and cold, the panel for hot and cold. There's a shower, there's another shower up there, and again a few things by Biotique. What is this? I don't know. I use my own stuff normally, so I don't know. And from here, the bathroom is see-through to the bedroom, so you can see the window also outside if it's open. I hope they can't see inside at the same time. But yeah, this can be closed. There's a switch inside that closes it. So if I press this, there's this curtain that comes down and it will close it. So that's it for the bathroom. So this is the room, guys, when you enter. And sorry for all the mess. This is where you can keep your luggage. This is a space where you can make tea or coffee. And breakfast has come in like this in this box, which I'll show you. And there's a table where you can work on. There's another panel with some switchboards, LAN cable, a phone. There's another. And there's where I sat this morning and had a cup of coffee. Quite a huge bed, and again the bathroom. That's all for the room actually. So now one interesting thing is this panel which they provided next to the bed. And if I press this, all the lights go off. Again, all the lights come on. And over here you can set an alarm. There's a time coming up. There are various light options, also lighting options, which you can set. Table lamp. Just as an example, I'll just show you. So this lamp which I can set. So I can't find the button now. Okay. So I can control it with this. Okay, that's pretty okay. This is the AC control system, which I cannot really control. I tried. Okay, I can increase, but I cannot decrease below 20. And there's a fan system. I can also control it from that control panel, that small panel which I showed you. And yeah, there's a entertainment system, as you can call it. There's a TV, and yeah, they've given instructions on the remote. They say that they have close to 1,000 channels. So that's it. So this is how breakfast came this morning. I called them up and asked for breakfast. So they asked me if I want Western or Indian. I thought I'll try Western. So this is some juice which they have given me. There's some black coffee which I requested. I don't know what's there and all this, but these are some fruits. There's some cake, and I think there's an omelette or something. Yeah, there's an omelette. So I don't know, but yeah, this is the breakfast which they give you outside at your door these days. Otherwise it used to be a buffet, but this COVID season, yeah, this is what they're doing. So finally we are at the end of this room tour, and my face is shining up like this because of this reading light which I've. Yeah, so overall I really don't think there's as such value for money. I wouldn't really come back here again to experience this, but yeah, as a one-time experience, it's okay. It's not so bad. The room size is alright and everything is alright. I paid close to 4,500 plus tax, which is quite less compared to what they used to charge before. So due to COVID and due to less people coming in there, I think they have reduced the cost. Otherwise, when I came in, I could feel that the room has not been used for quite some time. There was that smell which which an old room which has not been opened since quite some time, that kind of a smell which I entered. It's not as such a bad smell, but it was still there. Now the toiletries, if you compare it to the other hotels which are offering rooms in the same price point and with the same star ratings, the toiletries, they give more toiletries actually. They give they give more things. The cupboards are empty, so that's why I didn't show you any in the cupboard. There's an iron board and an iron, but otherwise there's nothing else. And yeah, that's it for the room tour. I hope you like it. And happy landings, guys. Be safe.